I'm going to do an unboxing video of the T46 desk phone from Verizon for their OneTalk system. And yours will look a little bit different because I've already taken the packaging materials out. So it comes with a kickstand, it comes with a receiver and the cord that will go to your phone, it comes with an AC adapter, a 6-foot Ethernet cable, which is nice. If you are more than 6 feet away though from where you're hooking the phone into, you will need a longer cable. And then the device itself. On the back, how you hook this guy up is you can see there's a PC port, an internet port, and a DC 5-volt port. Well, for power, you would put in the AC adapter, and then you just take your Ethernet cable, and it's very simple. If you're running to the wall, you would put it in the internet jack, and then you would put the other end of that into the the wall port that you have that gives you the internet, and then that's it. You're up and running. Now, if you're going to use this device as a pass-through, because it can be used that way, you would take this out of the internet port, put it into the PC port. Then you would take the internet that's currently running to your computer or other device that you're using it for, and you would put that here, because now the internet's going to come in through here, and then this PC one is going to run this cable to the device you'd like to have internet access. So the internet would come in through here. It would turn this device into a pass-through device, meaning the internet's going to come through it, but it's also going to pass it along to the other piggyback device, and that's where you would hook this cord in. So if you're going just from the wall, right here. If you're going to use it as a pass-through device, you'd hook the wall internet here, and then this cord would go to wherever your termination point is for your other device. So that is the basic setup of a T46 device from Verizon OneTalk.